हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जिन्हें की क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड 7 हिस्ट्री वर्कबुक लेसन नंबर 1 सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री, इसके क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। लेट्स सी फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स। ये इसके इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं। और इतने इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स इसके। अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या है इसका? फाइंड ऑड मैन आउट। फर्स्ट, मटेरियल सोर्सेस, रिटन सोर्सेस, अनरिटन सोर्सेस, ओरल सोर्सेस। इसमें से क्या है? अनरिटन सोर्सेस। मॉन्यूमेंट्स, कॉइन्स, केव्स, स्कल्पचर, स्टोरीज। इसमें से क्या है? स्टोरीज। अनरिटन सोर्सेस क्यों है? क्योंकि वो क्या है, मतलब सोर्स एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता। और स्टोरीज क्या है? ओरल सोर्स है। बुर्जापत्रास, टेम्पल्स, ट्रीटाइजेस, पेंटिंग्स। इसमें से क्या आएगा? टेम्पल्स। ओविस, तारिक्स, फोकटेल्स, मिथ्स। तारिक्स। श्रीन, टॉम, वीरगाला, पैलेस। सिक्स्थ, हिल फोर्ट, सी फोर्ट, प्लांट फोर्ट, लाल महल। सेकेंड वन, कंप्लीट द नेम्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री। फर्स्ट क्या है? लेजेंड। सेकेंड क्या है? तारीख। थर्ड क्या है? बखर। फोर्थ क्या है? पोवाड़ा। फिफ्थ क्या है? इंस्क्रिप्शन। सिक्स्थ क्या है? मॉन्यूमेंट। अभी थर्ड वन क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज इट मीन? फर्स्ट, history is a chronological, systematic and scientific account of past event in the progress of human civilization. Second, sources of history. The sources of history are the authentic evidences or proofs that serve as the basis for writing history. Third, copper plate. A copper plate is a royal edicts, judicial verdicts, and other forms of writing inscribed on the strip of copper. Fourth, rock inscription. Rock inscription are orders of kings and other forms of writing carved on a rock. Fifth, Bakhar. Bakhar is a Marathi term derived from the term Bakhar, which means news or information. Fourth one, classify the following into material sources, written sources and oral sources of history. So first, answer material sources are Chaitya, fort, weapons, coins, wells, clothing, utensils, musical instruments, temples. Written sources, rock inscription, books, tawarikh, bakhar, travelogy, copper plate, biographies, royal edicts, correspondence, judicial decision, pillar edicts. Oral sources are folk tales, myths, povadas, folk songs, shlok, ovi, hearsay. Third one is complete the following diagrams. First diagram is types of forts: hill fort, sea fort, forest fort, land fort. Second, travelogy is written by Al-Biruni, Ibn Butat, Nicola Manucci. बाद में थर्ड वन, अवेलेबल बखर्स। अभी बखर्स कौन कौन सा अवेलेबल है? देखो इधर 2 तो दिए गए, माहिकावतीची बखर, सभासद बखर, भाऊसाहेबाची बखर, चिटणीसाची बखर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 क्या है? लेट्स राइट. फर्स्ट, व्हाट डू मॉन्यूमेंट इंक्लूड? आंसर, मॉन्यूमेंट इंक्लूड समाधीज, ग्रेव्स, वीरकाला एंड बिल्डिंग्स. Second, what is Tariq? Answer, Tariq or Tawarik is a sequence of events. Third, what qualities of an author are important in writing of history? Answer, author's impartiality and neutrality are important in writing of history. Fourth one, what information do we get from the royal correspondence and biographies of the rulers? Answer क्या है? We get information regarding policies and the administrative system of the rulers and their diplomatic relation with others from the royal correspondence and biographies. Fifth, which structures are included in the term buildings? Answer. The term buildings include palaces, ministerial mansions, queen's quarters, and the houses of common people. 6. Inscription in which dynasties have been found. Answer. Many inscriptions of kings of Chalukya, Rashtrakuta, Chola and Yadav dynasties have been found. 7. What information do we get from the Bakhar? Answer. Bakhar provides us information about the contemporary political happenings, linguistics, transaction, cultural life and social condition. सेवेंथ वन भी हो गया. अभी 8th वन. Whose biography did Paramananda compose? Answer. Poet Paramananda composed Shri Shiv Bharat, a Sanskrit biography of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Question number 7. Explain the following concept. First, material sources. Material sources are artifacts and structured forts have an important place. Among the material sources, monuments and buildings provide insight about the period that the coins made of different rulers. Also an important chaityas, vihars, temples, churches, monuments, sculptures, wells, village boundaries, gates, weapons, utensils, clothes, toys, musical instrument and are also material sources of history. फर्स्ट आप ये लिसन कर लो कि इसमें ना आप कुछ 5-6 नेम्स भी लिखे तो भी चलता है, बट मैंने इधर क्या सब नेम्स इसमें लिखे हैं. सेकेंड क्या है? रिटन सोर्सेस. रिटन सोर्सेस इंक्लूड बुर्जापत्रस, रिलीजन मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स, ट्रीटाइज, एडिक्ट्स, डिक्री एंड बायोग्राफीज रिटन इन देवनागरी, अरेबिक, पर्शियन एंड मोडी स्क्रिप्ट, documents of the proceeding in the courts of the king and chronicles like Tawarik and Bakhars are also written sources. These written works give information about the social life, festivals, economy, etc. Third one is oral sources. Oral sources means the folk literature traditionally passed on from generation to generation. Ovies, folk songs, folk tales, देखो ओरल सोर्सेस, फ्लोक टेल्स, लीजेंड्स एक्सेट्रा. मैं वैसे ही पढ़ती गई और मुझे पता ही नहीं ये नीचे आ गया, बट आप लिख लो ये फ्लोक टेल्स, लेजेंड्स एक्सेट्रा. सम ऑफ द ओरल सोर्सेस हैव बीन written down after research. This conversion work is going on continuously and new information that come to light it added. 4. Tawarik. Tawarik or Tariq means sequence of events written by the contemporary writers. Tawarik. Al-Biruni, Jadid, Barani and other historians are an important source of medieval period. बाद में 8th वन क्या है? Write by reasoning your own, मतलब अपने वर्ड्स में ही लिखना है. First, a stone inscription is considered to be an authentic source of history. Answer. Rock inscription, that is a carving on rock, is very authentic source of history, as it throw light on different features of the ancient time like script used and the social, political and economic life of a period. Second, oral sources reveal various aspects of people's life. Answer. First case का first point, various aspects of folk life through folk literature passed on to us by our ancestors. They are pillars of the wisdom and they hold a wealth of knowledge about the past. Third, it throws light on the rich cultural life of the past and different art from which were practiced in those times. Third, study of building is important. Answer. Study of buildings is important because the buildings imply structure built by man himself or commissioner their construction. They provide insight about that period. Second, we can know the progress and quality of architecture. Third, the houses of common people reveal the economic condition and their standard of living in that particular period. Fourth, Bakhar are not reliable source of history. इसका आंसर क्या है? Bakhar are not reliable source of history because the word Bakhar is derived from the word Khabar, which second half information passed from one to another. Its nature is hearsay, which not full truth. Second, some Bakhars and Marathi were written many years after the events had taken place, so they were not an accurate account. Question: what is your opinion? First, it is necessary to evaluate sources of history. Give your opinion. Answer: in my opinion, it is necessary to evaluate the sources of history. The reason thereof are as follows. First, yes, it is necessary to evaluate the sources of history. Second, just because the sources is old does not mean it is reliable or true. We should examine their authenticity and see which sources genuine and which are fake. Third, information may be one-sided, contradictory, or exaggerated. Fourth, it needs to be seen in proper perspective and critically evaluated. Second, how does coins narrate history? Answer: in my opinion, the coins are an objective material sources and narrate history of their period. अभी नेक्स्ट वन क्या है? We learn about the rulers, their period, governance, religious ideas and personal details. Third, the coins also throw light on the language used during that period. Open-ended question. अब open-ended questions देखते हैं. For एक ही है. Suggest measures to preserve the historical resources. Answer: the following measures are suggested to preserve the historical monuments. First, microfilming, digitalization on the ancient manuscript. Second, regular repair, maintenance and upkeep of the historical monuments. Third, strict action to be taken against any person causing any damage to these sites. Fourth, students should be advised not to engrave their names and write another things on these sites. तो अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन, सो जिससे कि आपको जो मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस है उसकी नोटिफिकेशन जल्द से जल्द मिलती रहे. बाय फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.